If you've recently been exposed to lots of negativity, you need a good energy cleanse to return you to a positive path. To begin, make sure you are warm and comfortable. Close your eyes and feel your body getting heavy and even heavier until it starts to sink into the furniture or floor beneath you. Take a few deep breaths and relax your body with each exhalation. Imagine a bright white light of pure, positive energy shooting up from the center of the earth. Picture it connecting to the soles of your feet from where it flows upwards through your body. This is a positive energy that grounds and supports you. It connects you to a solid foundation of your values and your goals. It links you so strongly to this foundation that negative energy cannot dislodge you from it. Visualize this bright white light moving upwards through your body. Feel the tingling and warmth through your limbs as it moves upwards, and enjoy the sense of security that it brings. Through your feet, calves, thighs, hips, and lower back. Watch it fill your stomach and your chest, surrounding all your organs as it goes. Through your upper back, your shoulders, arms, hands, neck, and head. Now that your energy is positive and compatible with who you want to be, build it out into a protective shield. Picture the bright white light inside your body expand and expand. Watch it burst out through your skin on all sides, forming a guard of positive energy. Look at this energy field around you and feel your connection with it. Ask for its protection from negativity that other people send your way. If there is currently a person in your life that sends negative energy, visualize an interaction with them. Picture the negativity striking the outside of your shield and harmlessly rolling off. While you're filling your body with supportive, positive energy into building your protective shield, continue to breathe. Breathe in the positivity from the shield around you and breathe out any negativity and tension that remain in your body. Just relax and let go. Enjoy this peaceful space and the contentment that this process is creating. Throughout our lives, we build attachments to negative people, ideas, emotions, and memories. All of these fill us up with negative energy. Picture these attachments as cables that emerge from your skin, tying you to something outside yourself. You may feel the weight of these cables dragging you down. Start from the top of your head and unplug all these cables. Slowly work your way down your body and make sure you get all of them. Feel and hear a soft tearing sound as each of them disconnects from you. Once you reach your feet, you can repeat the process from head to toes to make sure that all the connections are cut. Notice how your body becomes lighter as you remove these negative ties. If you know of specific people, memories, emotions, or ideas that fill you with negativity, label the cables before unplugging them. Whatever it is that's been dragging you down, name it and remove it. Once they're untied from you, they can no longer fill you up with negativity. Neither can they drain your positive energy from you. Once the cables drop to the floor, the earth can absorb the negativity and neutralize it. Once you're done, heal the points where the cables connected to you. Visualize the positive energy that you created earlier swamp each of these connection points. With so much positivity covering them, the previous connections cannot leave even the slightest residue of negativity. Drift quietly in your envelope of positive energy. Feel the happiness that bubbles up inside you now that the negative energy is gone. Enjoy the security that you feel with your shield in place. Feel genuine gratitude for this process. Thank yourself for taking the time to cleanse your life energy. Once you're ready, move your legs and open your eyes. Promise yourself that you will return to this meditation again when you need to be freed from negativity.